Hi, we're Donny and Anna. We have 5 children that love spending time together and learning new skills. A few years ago, we purchased 46 acres not far from our home with the hope of building a small farm and home there that we've been working toward one project at a time. And today, we're going to be working on putting together the sidewalls for our barn. It is truss delivery day and we're so excited. If you don't know, it takes time for trusses to be built, so we ordered these back in February. It is now April and we're so excited to be getting them delivered.
Make sense to you guys? Am I correct on that?
Yeah.
They really should have. You know what would have made this a lot more efficient, Daddy? If they put one of these on top and one of these on the bottom. Very helpful. Because now we have to move.
Okay. We had an awesome day today. We had our trusses delivered. We got our columns all built. These are for the end walls and these are for our side walls. So tomorrow we're gonna get started on putting our walls together.
Yeah, come on with the fourth one. Stop. Good. Next.
158 3/4. Okay. And what's the next one?
The top one is 194 and a half.
194 and a half. Upper wall. There's 2 by 4. Alright. Those are going to be our inside wall girds. Now that we have our columns all built, we're going to start laying out for our wall girds and getting these columns where they got to go. Yeah, I think we can live with that.
All right.
That's good. Okay, go ahead. Nice. Nice. Well, we had another awesome day today. We got all our columns marked for the wall girts inside and out, and we got one whole wall put together. It's time to pick up and go home. Now that we have the south wall all built, we're going to get started on the north wall. So we just got another long wall done here, and the reason for this big gap in the middle, I'm going to have 9 mono trusses that are going to run the length of this lean-to, and they're going to sit in this gap with a truss bracket, and then they're also going to sit on these double 2x6s all the way down.
Where are we going?
He's like, I'm on the move. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, it would mean a lot to us if you would like, subscribe, and stick around for the next one when we plan on putting the walls and trusses up. Building is